Let's explore how you can rotate an entire Canva document using the resize feature. First, open up the document you'd like to rotate. You'll find the options you need right at the top of your screen. Next, go ahead and click on the Resize button. This is where the magic begins. Once you're in the Resize menu, you can either choose from Canva's existing size options or type in your own custom dimensions. To achieve the rotation effect, you'll need to swap the width and height values. This simple switch will give your document the new orientation. At this point, you have two choices. Apply the changes to a new file using a copy of the current template, or resize the document in its current form. I'll be opting to copy and resize within the same file. Now, Canva will adjust your document to the new dimensions, effectively rotating it for you. And there you have it. Your document is now resized, completing the rotation process. Thanks for tagging along.